Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prissy. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable memories flashback on Snapchat. If you want to know how to enable memories flashback on Snapchat, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. On your Snapchat app, just like this, all you need to do here is to log in your account. On your account, you click on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. On your profile here, you can see many other options, but all you need to do here now is to click on the setting icon on the top left corner of your screen. On your setting, you can see my account, public profile setting, additional service, and you see privacy control. Click on memories under privacy control. Now you can now see save button. Save, auto save my stories now. Click on it, click on auto save to memories. Once you click on it, that's it. Your snaps now will now be saved to memory. So guys, if you found this video useful, please do well to click the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.